Entomology, Ecology of Insects. First topic, effects of physical factors. Physical factors are temperature, humidity, etc. The enzymes of insects function efficiently only within a limited range of temperatures, and for these reasons environmental humidity and temperature are of great importance in the lives of all insects. Insects are cold-blooded. They can't regulate their temperature according to the environment. Their temperatures approximating to and varying with the ambient temperature. The nervous system must be directly influenced by changes in the body temperature. There are many aspects of temperature. First, temperature reception. Second, upper lethal temperature. Third, lower lethal temperature. Fourth, body temperature of insect. Fifth, control of body temperature. Temperature reception. Insects have specialized temperature receptor neurons. Sometimes a temperature sensitive neuron is present in an olfactory sensillum along with the olfactory neurons, but in a number of cases, spatial thermo and hygrosensitive sensilla are present. The caterpillar of Dendrolemus has one cell in the maxillary pulp and three in the antenna, which respond to a sharp fall in a temperatures. This is a good example. And second example is Periplaneta cockroach. In Periplaneta, the units in the central nervous system fall into four categories. There are four units, and with respect to their response to the temperature. In the first type, this is time and the impulse per second. The response of the unit in a decreased temperature. In the first unit, the output is directly proportional. Output is directly proportional. And this in second type, it is also directly proportional, but in addition shows a transient decrease in the output when the temperature rises and the transient increase in when the temperature falls. transient increase, but it is also directly proportional. Third type of unit is a cold receptor. Cold receptor being more active at low than a high temperatures. More active at low than a high temperature. And the fourth unit is uninfluenced by temperature. So in insects, there are many units, different type, and their responses. Thus, the response of the insect as a whole is determined by external temperature influencing the sensory input and by the body temperature, which modifies the output from the central nervous system. Changes in the internal body temperature will be slower than peripheral changes, and so the central nervous system will usually only be affected by relatively persistent changes in the outside temperature. In blood-sucking species, in which temperature is important in host finding, insects can perceive small differences in the air temperature and is sensitive to changes of less than 1 degree centigrade.